everyone, Myra here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to explore new palettes. I'm so excited because I recently got this new palettes. Oh, ang dami. Yes. These are from Beauty Glazed. Ayan. And these are supposedly dupes for the Huda Beauty palettes. The ones with the gemstones, yung mga names niya. Ito naman, mga planets yung names niya. So, I have here Saturn for the orange palette. I also got Mars. Ayan. Ito naman, red. And then, we have Jupiter. Ito, purple, pink tones yung shades niya. And then, I have Uranus. Ito, green. And then, I also have Neptune. Today, we will be playing around with Saturn. And this is how the palette looks like inside. Ayan. Ang ganda ng colors. Ayan siya. First, let me give you some swatches. So, starting off with this color. Okay, first off, let me just say, the pigmentation of this palette is very good. Nagulat ako kasi yung mga matte shades dito are actually creamy to the touch. And usually kasi pag mga ganitong palette, medyo struggle yung matte shades. But in this case, napawawa ko dun sa matte shades niya and they are pigmented. Hopefully, mag-translate siya ganun din sa ating lids. So, I'm very excited. The shimmer shades are also very nice. They're also creamy to the touch. And hopefully, hindi sila ganun ka-powdery. But, since sa touch pa lang, nakikita ko na-feel ko na may pagka-creamy siya, I'm not expecting it to be powdery. But, let's see. I'm so excited! By the way, guys, I got this for 142 pesos sa Shopee. So, if you wanna check out the store where I got this, I'll be putting the link down in the description box. Before we begin, heads up lang, guys. For today, I'll be using the Untitled brushes, Eye Essentials. So, in case you'll hear me say different bunch of codes, those are the codes for the different brushes ng Untitled. So, here they are. I'm testing them out currently. So, yun yung gagamitin natin for today's video. For today, I'm thinking of doing a look that is more wearable for daytime. So, we'll keep things simple for today. Although, sobrang nakakatip gawa ng dramatic look tong palette ito because they are so gorgeous, pero we'll keep it simple for today. Okay, to start off, I'm using E04 and I'm taking this shade right here. Oy, hindi siya powdery, which is good. Okay, very pigmented. Okay, we are going to put this in our crease area as our transition shade. Oh, nice. Kumukulay siya agad, which is very good. Okay, then I'm taking a clean E03 to further blend out our crease transition color. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the shimmer shades. But I'll try to use a brush for this. Try ko lang kung kakapit ba yung color dun sa brush. If not, mag-fingers na lang tayo. So, I'm taking the E07 flat shader. And I'm taking this shade right here. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa aking mobile lid. So, let's see. Let's try. Let me try to switch brushes. So now I'm using a more flatter synthetic brush. So again, let's try to get that shade. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try to use my finger for the other side. So, maganda pa rin yung fingers. Okay, so, babalikan ko lang yung ginamit natin na E04 brush without dipping into the pan. And I'm going to buff out the edges ng shimmer shades. Nung shimmer shade na ginamit natin. Okay, so it's very light right now. I wanted to bring a little bit of depth into the look, so I'm gonna use this color. So in the pan, it looks like a deep chocolate brown with a hint of red, pero sa swatch, it's more of like a burgundy color. Ganyan siya pag nasa swatch na. So tingnan natin. So it doesn't come off as brown, it's more of a reddish tone. So I am taking E10 shader brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that color, and then ilalagay ko siya sa outer corner. Okay. Just like so. So balik tayo sa E03. And then let me just blend that color. Okay, I love how it gives depth into that outer corner as compared to this one. But as you can see, it's all blended out. So, dadagdagan ko lang siya ng konti because I want to see a bit more of that color dun lang sa corner. So, dadagdagan natin siya. Dadagdagan ko siya ulit. And then, babalikan ko yung E04 naman, which is a smaller blending brush, because I just want to blend the edges of that dark color. Ayoko nang ma-blow out or ma-blend out further yung color na nilagay ko dun sa corner. So, I'll use a smaller blending brush just for the edges. So, small circular motion. Dun lang sa edges. Ayan na. So, Kung ano man yung natira dun sa smudger brush, drinag ko lang dito sa baba. Just to continue that color. Ayan. So, I dragged it all the way in. Fading dito sa may inner tear duct. Okay, maglalagay lang ako ng manipis na liner and then I'll curl my lashes to define my eyes. So that's for the eyes. Naglagay lang ako ng liner without any wing and I didn't put any false eyelashes. Just 3 coats of my Maybelline Lash Sensational. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Our final look, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Sa camera, parang medyo na-wash out yung color niya. But in person, I really love how the colors blend together very nicely. Very subtle lang. I love it. Can I just say, I'm so excited to play around with this palette even more. I love how the mattes blended very nicely. Wala akong nakitang patchiness. It's not powdery. Pagdating sa shimmer, wala akong nakitang fallouts. It's creamy. Pero mas maganda pa rin talaga pag fingers yung ginagamit sa pag-apply ng shimmer shades. But overall, I'm loving this palette. I'm excited to do more looks with this. So, abangan nyo yan. Gagawin pa natin ng ibang looks yan. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng isa lang, diba? With all this gorgeous shades, kailangan bigyan natin siya ng hustisya at bigyan natin siya ng iba't iba pang mga looks. So, abangan nyo yan. So, that is it for today's video. If you wanna see more looks from this palette, kasi gagawin ko pa to ng maraming looks. Grabe, na-inspire akong gumawa ng marami pang looks dito sa palette na to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell to be notified on my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And also, you may follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye! Hey, no, no.